Didn't mean a word of it. I was all in my head. I was too afraid to let you in. When you opened your heart, I should have done the same thing. You told me you love me, I said quiet. I don't wanna say it, but I really feel it. Just give me a while, 'cause I'm halfway there to loving you. So wait there for me. And there's nothing that I wouldn't do to be where you be. But I can't say those words right now. You want to meet you at the finish line. I just need a little more time, but I will be there. Oh, I will. A little more of my mic, please, in my head, please. Lying in this bed, staring at the ceiling fan. I wanna be with you instead. Why couldn't I say then? I didn't wanna lie, so I just kept my mouth closed. Wanna feel it with you so damn bad. Feel it getting closer every time I hold you. Baby, take my hand, 'cause I'm halfway back to loving you. So wait there for me. And there's nothing that I wouldn't do to be where you be. And I can't say those words right now. You want to hear me to at the finish line. I just need a little more time. Yeah, I will be waiting for me. I won't ever waste your time. Yeah, I've been hurt before. I've been too old, made it out alive. Oh, you got me. I'm not going anywhere. So give me a minute, baby. Right behind you, love is on the line. I'm only